Hello everyone. My presentation is how does quantitative explain different tendency in quantitative. We all know that quantitative and qualitative research has their own strengths and limitations. However, my paper doesn't want to compare the strengths and weaknesses of these two domains of research. Rather, it aims to illustrate how these two approaches can compensate each other in conducting mixed method research. Some information about research background. We all know that higher education, the work integrated learning has become popular in higher education context, and it aims to help students become familiar with the real world working context. Nonetheless, developing a meaningful, relevant, and worldwide work integrated learning is not easy, as it required the collaboration of both university and enterprises. And the aim of my research is to investigate the current stage of UEC. Now, I employ the sequential design with quantitative questionnaires preceding qualitative follow-up interviews. And with the questionnaires, I could collect 226 valid responses from universities and the other 261 from enterprises. I also conducted 20 interview with 10 participants from each size. Now I want to illustrate the disagreement between university and enterprises comes from a quantitative finding. That is when they answer the question, who take initiatives in setting up UEC. As you can see that both sides suggested that they was the one who take the first step and who's really take the initiative in collaboration, and this often come with the complaint that the other party was not ready and not really wanted to collaborate. The quantitative couldn't explain why the reason. Luckily, the follow-up interview helped to explain two reasons. The first one was both university and enterprise only thought about collaboration when they need the collaboration for their own purpose. For university, that is when they want to send students to industry for internships, and for the collaboration that for the enterprise, that is the story of recruitments. And the terms they come to each other do not. And the second reason was employers often come to negotiate the collaboration with top universities, while many lower ranked and more professional oriented universities were struggling to attract enterprise to their collaboration. So I come to conclusion that these study illustrate clearly that generalizability, the strength of quantitative research, can also become a limitation, especially when it addresses the disagreement between the university that cannot